Welcome in lecture series 4, that is the fluid statics part 2. In outline of today's presentation, session 4 presentation is hydrostatics force on a surfaces. Horizontally immersed surface, what about the forces, then vertically immersed surfaces, inclined surfaces, curved surfaces. So, we are today we are discussing in detail how we calculate the hydrodynamic forces on the different surfaces. So, first we discuss what is the hydrostatics forces on a surface. The term hydrostatics means the study of pressure exerted by the fluid. Yes, before in part 1 we discussed what is the Pascal law. So, pressure intensity is equal in all direction, that is the Pascal law. When fluid at rest means at static condition, fluid at rest. So, hydrostatics means the study of pressure exerted by the liquid. What is the condition? It is at rest. So, the direction of such pressure is always, what is the direction? Direction of this pressure is always perpendicular in the surface on which it acts. Okay. So, the hydrodynamic force, again the term hydrodynamic means the study of a pressure exerted by liquid at rest, and the direction of a pressure is always perpendicular in the surface on which it acts. Second point comes, what are the total pressure and center of pressure? Total pressure, how we define total pressure and center of pressure, at which point it is acting. So, total pressure is defined the force exerted by the static fluid. Always remember, the fluid is at rest, static fluid on a surface. So, this surface may be either plane or curved. When fluid comes in contact with the surface, means surface nature, it may be plane, it may be curved, it may be any, it may be inclined. So, total pressure is the force exerted by the static fluid on the surface when the fluid come contact with the surface. So, this force is always at normal to the surface. So, it is clear, total pressure, total pressure. So, first one is the hydrostatic. So, hydrostatics means study of pressure exerted by liquid at rest, and direction is perpendicular to the surface. Total pressure, force exerted by the static fluid on a surface. Surface may be any type, it may be plane, it may be curved. Then what is the center of pressure? Center of a pressure. And so, center of a pressure defined what point of the application of the total pressure on the surface. So, if we identify the surfaces, means it may be horizontal plane, vertical plane surface, inclined and curved. So, we discuss in detail how we calculate hydrostatic forces in different planes, different surfaces. Surface may be plane, horizontal plane, it may be vertical plane, it may be inclined, it may be curved, nature may be anything. We have our mission, our objective is to calculate hydrodynamic force, means total force or total pressure and center of a pressure. This one is the objective. So, the first objective is the surface is horizontal immersed surface, okay. It immersed. So, basically if you see in the figure, okay, this one is the free surface, free, this one is the free surface, this is the free surface, okay. So, this horizontal immerse, this one is the horizontal immerse, yes, horizontal immerse, okay. So, ultimate, what is our objective? Our objective is to calculate okay, capital P, capital P. So, how we calculate? Simple calculation is the P. How we calculate? P equal to rho GH, or this W area into this H means this is the x bar. Yes, x bar means free surface, so that is the CG point, CG point. Okay. Means what is capital P? The capital P is the total pressure. This P is the total pressure, total pressure, total pressure, total pressure on the surface. This capital P is the total pressure on the surface, total pressure on the surface. Okay. Means who created the total pressure? The weight of liquid above the immerged surface, the weight of a liquid immerged. So, that is the total pressure. So, what is weight? Simply weight is always mg weight, mg, if you see this one is the weight, and what is density equal to mass upon volume. Always remember, mass equal to density into volume into g. If you are combining rho and g, rho into g, if combining the W into volume. So, volume means area into height. So, this one is the x bar. Simple, simple. So, or we calculate this total pressure exerted equal to this W or gamma A x bar, okay, or this W is, what is this? Is specific weight, specific weight. So, this is specific weight is rho into g, okay, rho into g. What about A? Area of this area of immerged surface, this area of immerged surface. This x bar are, okay, again this distance from the CG distance, depth of horizontal surface from the liquid. Just this is the depth of, yes, from the free surface, depth. So, this was the depth from free surface, So, simple V P equal to, yes, in this case W A x bar, always remember this one is the specific weight, area, this depth. Next one is the next second condition is the nature of surface is vertically immersed. Surface is the vertically immersed. Our mission objective in the all the, yes, to calculate capital P, to calculate capital P. This one is the our objective. How we calculate capital P. So, if you see capital P, actually in this case vertically, this figure, that is the vertically, you see vertical. If it vertical, suppose any surface, yes, vertically immersed surface. So, it have some, suppose G, yes, G, what is this? Center of gravity, and where is the center of point? Center of pressure, capital C, center of pressure. So, we are assuming that this distance is the, yes, we are x bar. So, this distance is the x bar from CG, this distance from CG, this one is the x bar. Just see, free surface to CG. Center of pressure, we are assuming this distance is the h bar. Yes. So, how we calculate total capital? Our objective is to calculate capital P only, capital P, total pressure exerted. So, in this case, how we calculate? Simply we take a width, okay, a strip, you can take a strip, yes, whose width is V, or thickness is the dx, yes, just dx, just simple B, this one is the dx, okay, because then what is the area? If you see area of a strip, you see area, strip area, what is this area? B into dx, B into dx, this one is the strip area. And what is the pressure intensity? If you calculate small p, pressure intensity, small p, what is this? Pressure intensity, pressure intensity, pressure intensity. What is this? This one is the pressure intensity. Simple. Pressure intensity. What is the pressure intensity? Simple. The rho gh means this pressure P equal to this W into x. This distance is the x from there. This depth is the x. So, pressure intensity. Pressure intensity. And what is the total pressure? Capital P. This one is the, always do not confuse. This capital P is total pressure, small p is the pressure intensity. So, this capital P, what is this cap? Yes, on this strip. Just we are talking about the strip, pressure intensity of strip, this total P on the strip. So, this pressure intensity into area. What is the area? Area of a strip means this we can say dA. So, this P Wx and what is the dA? This area of a strip, and what is the area of a strip? B dx, B dx. So, this one is the capital P. If you see the capital P, total pressure on the strip, just see pressure intensity P, this one is the area. So, what is the P? P the Wx, yes, Wx, this one is the area B dx, B dx. So, what is the exactly, if you see what is the B dx into x? If you see B dx, yes, B dx means this area, B dx is the area of strip, area of strip. So, area into x, this may become a moment, area, yes, area into x, this become a moment with respect to OO, with respect to OO. So, this become, so this one is the area moment known as the first area moment. So, we can say this B dx, yes, B area into x. So, this become, yes, if you integrate, this become A x bar, A means total area into x bar, moment of a surface area about the leg. So, A x bar. So, then what is the again capital P, total pressure, remember. So, in place of B dx A x, and so this become W A x bar, yes, same as horizontal. In the all the cases, if emerge, suppose this one is the free surface, this is the free surface, any plate, yes, suppose this one is the plate. So, all pressure intensity or total capital P, all the places, what is the total pressure? So, this gamma A, this x bar, suppose all, because this x bar is the similar. So, the total pressure is the same in the all, yes, all the surface, this pressure is the same, yes, this pressure is equal. If you draw the pressure distribution, so this one is the pressure force. So, in the second case, vertically immersed surface, we have calculated the total pressure intensity is the same as the horizontal, that is the equal to capital P equal to W or gamma. What is W? W is known as specific weight. A means area of this surface, and A x bar, that is the depth from free surface to CG point. It is clear? So, in the second case again the P equal to W A x bar. In third case, if we see in similar, second motto is that to calculate, first motto is to calculate the first or objective is that to calculate capital P, second center of a pressure, because at this point this one is the h bar. First objective is to calculate capital P, we have already calculated, this one is the W A x bar already calculated. Second objective is to calculate this, yes, this one is the mission. How we calculate? Okay, because this P, what is C? Total pressure, center of pressure point, where total force acting at this point, this one is the acting, total force acting. If we take moment with respect to surface OO, this capital P, what is this? P into, this become P into h bar, yes, P into h. This one is the moment with respect to OO. Okay, clear? And what is this? What is this? Yes, if you see, okay, first, yes, what is this? What is the AX? AX, yes, this one is the first moment, okay. So, in place of we can say in place of capital P, what is this? Gamma or W A x bar into h bar, this must be equal to I naught. What is I naught? Yes, we can calculate in term of the I naught. Okay. So, I naught or this W cancelled out. Okay. So, we can calculate h bar equal to simple A x simple. Okay. I, yes, this one is the moment of inertia. Yes. So, by the parallel axis theorem, moment of inertia, you know, at this point free surface we have what is the moment of inertia with respect to this I g point. So, how we calculate by parallel axis theorem? I naught equal to this I g, yes, moment of inertia g plus area into x bar square. This one is the parallel axis theorem. So, we can place, yes, in place of, because we calculated h bar equal to I naught upon A x bar. So, in place of I naught, yes, I g, yes, plus A x square upon A. So, this become I g upon A x bar plus x, this equal to simply. What is the I g? Moment of inertia, yes, I g, what is the I g? Moment of inertia of a figure about the horizontal axis through its center of gravity. Okay. So, this all about the vertical, means how we calculate, yes, h bar. Okay. Third, if we see the center of a gravity and moment of inertia, yes, of the different common surfaces, if we see in the case of the plane surface, suppose, okay, triangle, if you take triangle, yes, this type of a triangle you can take, okay, CG from the base. Cg from the base. So, this one is the base. What is the Cg from base? So, this x equal to h by 3. Cg from, so this one is the h by 3. Simple. X bar is h by 3. And what is the area? Area, what is the area? Half b into h. Okay. If again this moment of inertia, we can take from the base. If we take from the base, this become b h square by 12. If we take from the this point, this become b h cube by 36. So, we can calculate in the all the cases by the parallel axis theorem, if you know. Yes, from base we know, we can calculate by the parallel axis theorem. This one is the very simple. So, that is why what is the Cg from the base, Cg from the apex, then what is the area. So, we know the common surfaces, we take rectangle. In case of the rectangle, in the case of the rectangle, simple d by 2, d by 2. What is the area? Yes, area is b into d. Yes, then from base, yes, b d cube upon 12. Again for the circle, in case of the circle, in case of the circle, yes, this one is the d by 2, d by 2, circle, case circle, d by 2, area pi by 4 d square. What is the area? Pi by 4, area pi by 4 d square. Yes, Cg pi by, yes, Ixs Iyy equal to pi d power 4 upon 64. So, this one is a very simple, we have taken the few cases. In case of the trapezium, what is the x? X is the 2a plus b upon a plus b into h by 3. What about the area? Yes, a plus b, we are taking the, this one is, if we are taking the a, in this one the b, a plus b upon 2 into this the, yes, height. We can take the moment of inertia also, this become a square plus b square plus 4 ab upon 3 b a plus b into h square. So, in the all the cases we know the what are the in the common surfaces, common plane surfaces, what is the center of a gravity, what is the moment of inertia, area. Okay. It will help for the calculating the h bar. Okay. Again the inclined surface. In the inclined surface, if we take the inclined, okay, very simple in case of the inclined. Okay. So, this we convert in the vertical, yes, inclined become vertical means sin theta component comes in the picture, sin theta component comes in the picture. So, intensity of pressure, simple, we take the strip, yes, we take the strip, method is the same, strip area, yes, we take strip. So, intensity of pressure small p, what is the this? Intensity of a pressure, intensity of a pressure, W into, yes, we know x. So, in this case what is the x? Because we take vertical, this angle is the theta, this angle is the theta. So, cos theta sin theta. So, this component W into L sin theta, yes, because this become vertical, emerge vertical, sin theta component, we have taken the sin theta component. W L of sin theta, this is the pressure intensity. What about the area? Area of strip, because this one is the P, yes, yeah, this one the dP. What is the dP? Strip pressure intensity. This one is the intensity, this area of strip. So, this become what is the B dx, B dx, B dx. Okay. Then pressure of the strip, total pressure, this pressure capital P, pressure intensity into area. So, this become W L WL sin theta into B dx. So, this become a capital P, we can D capital Y for the strip. Yes, for the strip you can take. Yes, D. Yes, total capital P, capital P. Yes, total capital P. We can integrate. Yes, capital P we integrate W L sin of theta into B dx. B dx. So, this component, if we take capital P, some common out. What is this? This one is the W is the constant, sin theta is the, yes, sin theta integrate, yes, integrate L, what is this? L B dx, L B dx, L B dx. Then what is the L B? Again moment of surface, again the moment of surface area. If you see L B ds, moment of the, yes, moment of the surface area. If we calculate this L B dx, then it become, if integrate L B dx. So, what does it mean? It means x bar upon sin theta, yes, simple, sin component into x bar sin. So, A x bar sin theta, putting again this, putting all, because A x bar sin theta, A x bar upon sin theta cancelled out, simple P become. So, this P become, again in this case also P become W A x bar, very beautiful. In all the cases this one is the similar. All the cases 1, 2, 3, all the cases capital P equal to similar. If we calculate, the center of pressure, yes, similar way, like this vertical. So, this we can always calculate, yes, h bar, similar we case h bar, yes. In that case I g or I naught sin, if it sin theta become this one, sin theta square upon A x bar. If we calculate in parallel axis theorem, if you take all the process is the similar. So, this become I g sin squared theta upon A x bar plus, pattern is the similar, in all the cases method is the similar. Curved surface, simple, if surface is the curve, we calculate dP equal to PdA width, then we integrate, yes, PdA, you integrate this one. Okay. So, there the two component, one is the horizontal, another is the vertical, two component the capital P, and what is the capital P? P x upon this is square term. If we tan theta, if we take tan theta, this theta is P v upon P x. So, by this way we can calculate the forces capital P in the curved surface. Thank you.